Hello everyone, this is Henan Small Machinery. This is our concrete mixer pump. This machine can both mix and pump the concrete. It has a drum-type concrete mixer, and below the mixer is the pumping system. We also have modules with a twin-shaft mixer or planetary mixer for customers to choose. For the power system, we have two types, one with electrical motor and one with diesel engine. Customers can choose which one is more suitable based on the job site situations. This one showing in the video is diesel engine type. Welcome to contact us for more information about this machine.